Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are safe. I hope you all are happy. So today I'm going to do a very different video from what I have uploaded till now on my YouTube. Today I'm going to be talking something about life, something that everyone needs to do in their life, and some things that you need to hear if you can't do that thing. Well, today I'm going to be talking about how to remove negative people from your life, and this video will have 3 parts. In the first part, I will be telling you about how to identify a negative person, second on how to let them go or just remove them from your life, and the third person what to do after they're gone, especially if that person is really close to you or something like that. So hi, if you're new to this channel, my name is Megha and I make videos on fashion, beauty and lifestyle, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So let's get started with this video. How to identify a negative person in your life. So a negative person can be a little tricky to identify because sometimes they say good things, sometimes they say bad things, and it really gets confusing to judge if they are a negative person or not. But there are some traits or there are some patterns in them which helps them distinguish from the positive people. So let's say as far as my experience of being with negative people is that they will never support your vision. First thing is that, luckily I have a lot of friends and a lot of family members in my life who actually support my YouTube platform. They give me new ideas, they support me, but at the same time I have few people in my life who will constantly tell me not to do this, not to do that related to my own career, and that I shouldn't post this, I shouldn't post that, or why am I so so involved in this whole thing. But I know that in the long run this is what I want to be identified as, as a YouTuber, as a successful YouTuber, and to be honest and fair with you guys, I will always continue my YouTube. I'm never letting it go. And when they tell me that, it really puts me in a negative place, and then I start thinking about if this is the right choice that I made. First trait is that you will know that a person is negative if they don't support you, or even if they don't support you, they should have a valid reason. This particular thing you can't do, but I want you to give you your best. Now that is more of like a positive person. Now the second trait is that that person will always find flaws in another people and will judge them. Now for suppose there is a person who has like 2 or 3 positive things in them, and let's say 10 negative things in them, will always focus on those 10 negative things and will always try to degrade their image in public or in private. I'm going to give you a little tip on how to identify negative people. Always listen to the person you're talking to. If they are sharing someone's secret, if they're sharing someone's some things that the another person shared with them to you, always remember, if that person can share their secrets with you, they can always share your secrets or your life deepest secrets with the third person without you even knowing your whole life. That is the kind of person you should stay away from, definitely, without any second doubt. And a negative person will always make sure that you don't look superior to them, all right, or you don't look like more of like a good person in front of other. They will always try to degrade you. They will always find some things to just pinpoint you. They will always find it. That is my own experience. And a negative person, rather than focusing on their own life, rather than bettering their own life, they will always think about another person's life, their actions, their judgments, their life decisions. That person will never ever focus on their life, and they will never find flaws in themselves. They will never try to better themselves up. They will always find a reason to cover their mistakes. They will always find a reason to say that this is my flaw and I'm proud of it, but they shouldn't be. These are some really small personality traits which can really help you identify a negative person, and you really need to stay away from these people because at a certain age limit you really need to start focusing on yourself and your career rather than another people's life. Coming on to the second part is how to let go the negative person. Now if that negative person is someone who is really close to you, let's say your best friend or your boyfriend or your girlfriend or your family member or someone by your neighborhood, it becomes hard to let them go because you are in touch with them every day. There are always 2 kind of people. First, who are ready, who don't know that they are in a negative position and they need to change themselves, and the second one who know and they're willingly doing that. My advice is you to talk to them, tell them that this is what I don't like about you, or this is what makes me feel like you're a negative person, you make me feel negative, and I would really love to be with you, but only if you change yourself, or if you identify those things and work on yourself. And you can really notice if that person is working on that thing, then I don't think you should let them go. Then there comes some person who will listen to you, who will not there like, yeah, I think so, but they will never change themselves. They will come back to that pattern after some time. And those kind of people is someone you really need to let them go, because they are those kind of people who are not willing to change themselves, and they will not even let you change in a positive way. So yeah, you need to let them go. Okay, now how to let them go? Now coming to the main point, which is how to let them go, is to start maintaining your distance. You have a friend whom do you talk daily, don't tell them your secret or some really everyday today happenings. Okay, even if you have no one, don't tell them, because you cannot rely on that person. Once you have identified that this is the person that needs to go on from my life, you need to stop telling your daily events, you need to stop telling your secrets to them, which they don't know yet. Try to tell them that I'm busy or something, like I have to go here and there, and you just have to let them go. It becomes really hard. Sometimes you might even ignore your inner instincts which tell you to let them go, but you might feel, what will I do after they've gone? Whom will I talk to? Whom will I share my stuff with? But there will always be someone in the future with whom you will have a great bond, and you will always have someone whom you can talk to. My advice would be to rather have no one to talk to rather than having negative people to talk. Even if things remain till you, they will somehow be positive and not negative. Now, at a certain age, like I said before, you need to focus on your life, and by focusing also I mean you need to start taking decisions which will affect your life in the long run. You need to tell yourself that this person might be good for me for 2 or 3 or 5 years, but this person won't be good for me in the next 10 years. If that person is not pushing you to do hard, if that person is not asking you some really serious life questions, that person is not adding anything into your life. In fact, that person is always taking something out of you, wasting your time, wasting your energy, wasting your vibrations, and just disturbing your mental peace, your spiritual peace. And that is something which is not highly appreciable if you're looking to elevate your life in a positive way. You just have to really convince yourself that you will be okay once that person is gone. You will find someone, and even if you don't find someone, just talk to yourself. That's how the whole process goes. You just have to convince yourself rather than holding on to things. Sometimes letting them go will hurt you less. Now, the third part that comes is what to do after you let go of the negative people. Now, what to really do is to focus on yourself. You will feel a lot of loneliness, and the magnitude of loneliness depends upon the closeness of you with that person, or the type of bond you had with that person. You might feel like your world is crashing, you have no one to talk to, but just start focusing on yourself. Start spending those lonely times by meditating, start reading books, start studying, start planning about your future, start thinking what you really want from life. You just have to be patient, trust God's timing. He will always have a solution. He is always, I heard this quote that if a God is removing a person from your life, it is because he has heard those conversations which you haven't, and that is so true, because I have personally heard a lot of things about me from another people which that person which I let go has told them, and that was really devastating for me. And I now feel very happy that I took that decision to let go of that person, to not chase that person. If you feel like now you're lonely, no, you will never be lonely. When you move from school to college, or from college to job, or some like new country, or you do your graduation or your postgraduate, you'll always find new people. You will always find people with a more positive perspective. जाने दो उसे तुम, ना रोको उसे तुम. This is not a song, this is something I just made up right now. So yeah, I really hope that my first life advice kind of video was helpful for you all. With this, we come to the end of this video. And at lastly, I would like to say, just focus on yourself. Always focus on elevating your life. Always think about more and more elevating your life in a more positive way. And I hope you all are safe. I hope you all are happy. Please stay inside. The condition is getting worse and worse every single day. So if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video and share it with your friends. If you know someone who actually needs to let go of some people and are finding a hard time doing that, share this video with them. It might help them. And I will see you guys in my next video.